Mostly on my channel, you'll find tips and hacks, recommendations, or just life lessons that I've learned on my journey that I hope and pray will help you on yours. Hey y'all, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Cindy, and the primary goal for my channel is I just really want to help and support and be of service to my fellow blind and visually impaired community, as well as any family member or friends or just anyone who is somehow connected to someone blind or visually impaired. And I would also love to relate to really anyone with a physical disability and families that are managing disabilities, and I'll tell you why in just a second. Primarily though, I have Stargardt's disease, and I was diagnosed at a very young age, so I have no memory of what good vision is. I have no idea. So that's really been what has framed the majority of my life experiences. Currently, I am a mom. I'm raising 2 toddlers, and every day is a test of, adapting and thinking creatively and finding what's gonna work for me that day. So I love to share tips and hacks and recommendations and life lessons, though I usually learn them the hard way, in hopes that whatever I have learned helps you on your journey as well. Prior to being a mom, I was a music therapist. So I worked in pediatric oncology as well as a variety of populations that had a variety of disabilities. So that is why I also want to connect with people with physical and mental disabilities as well as families. Since I have my own, I definitely have a soft spot for my fellow parents with disabilities. So if you fit that criteria, I really hope you hit that subscribe button. Moving on, I've also worked in South Korea. I lived in South Korea for a year teaching English. So that was another huge life lesson in how to adapt to a completely new environment and culture, getting out of my comfort zone and forcing myself to let everything that I was used to go and learn something new. These are all things that I hope to share on my channel in a way that will hopefully benefit you guys. Moving on, before you guys go, I really hope you pop down below because I would love to know more about you. I would love for you to comment and tell me, are you blind or visually impaired, or are you a friend or family member of someone who is? Or do you have a different disability? And I would also love to know, just for fun, your subscriber number too, if you choose, of course, to subscribe. That way we can kind of see, how the channel is growing and all that stuff. I upload every week. I never know what day that's gonna be though, because kids, enough said, right? So hit that notification bell, and that way you will know when, I've uploaded something new. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.